So today, in just a moment, you are going to get together in your emoji groups, and you are going to think about how you built a tower before, what worked really well, and what didn't. I'm Joan Hammond. I teach 4th grade here at Vista San Gabriel Elementary School. I've been teaching for about 20 years. How's it going? You might need more hands to help hold things while you're putting things on, right? So make sure that you're talk to each other. Currently, I'm teaching 4th grade, and my students are about 9 or 10 years old.
We're running out of tape because of these girls.
But you're a team. You're a team. You guys have to make your decisions together, right?
Yeah.
I love teaching so much, I wouldn't do anything else. There have been times when I get frustrated and depressed, a little bit down, but the kids make all the difference in the world. Their personalities and their exuberance make it all worth it. And they make me laugh every day. Roberto's like, dude. He's like, no. One of the most challenging parts about teaching is that kids come from different backgrounds, different experience levels, and so the challenging part for me is finding out where they are so I can help bring them to where they need to be. This one is, looks like 24 inches. My favorite part about teaching is watching the light bulbs light up. Those things that kids have not understood before, that they all of a sudden understand. 31.5 inches. Congratulations. Clap for everybody. You guys all did a great job. I try to make teaching engaging by making it fun. I believe that you should be able to have fun every day, even if it's a challenging subject. That's the most important thing. Teacher of the Year was an amazing experience. I was actually named Teacher of the Year for my site several years ago, and then I was named Teacher of the Year for my site again this year. It's a humbling experience to understand all of the amazing teachers that are on my team here at Vista San Gabriel. What makes Vista San Gabriel so special is that we are a family. This is it's a community that works together. We are one of the center points of our community. Most of the activities and events that happen in our community happen here at school. I love working at Vista San Gabriel. I wouldn't work anywhere else.